Hello,
Yes.
hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. What about you? Thanks for asking.
I'm doing well, thank you. So, tell me, Pradeep, have you traveled a lot? Have you traveled a lot of places?
No, ma'am, I haven't traveled a lot.
I haven't traveled a lot.
I
Oh,
just,
mm-hmm.
yes, I just traveled around in locals,
You have been to local places.
around local. Yes, ma'am. I
I
have been to
okay.
local
Whenever
places.
yes, whenever I correct you, you can repeat it those words or sentences in your own way so that you can understand. Okay, where the mistake is being made. Okay, tell me
Okay,
about your
ma'am.
local travel history. Where have you been near your area or in your city? Tell me about those.
I've been, I have been to Vizag. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Yes, I know about Andhra Pradesh. Tell me, you've been to Vizag.
where are you from, ma'am? Yes,
I'm
ma'am. Yeah.
from Mumbai.
Uh,
I have never been. I have been to Chennai once, but otherwise, I haven't explored anything much in the south.
okay, ma'am.
So tell me about it.
Okay. I went to my aunt's home.
Mm-hmm.
I I go I went to beach and Kailasagiri, and that's it, ma'am. I haven't explored much in the city.
Okay.
I'm
Where do you stay exactly? Right now, where are you staying?
exactly
Hmm.
I'm at my village Garisingi. It is a remote village in Visakhapatnam.
Okay, Vishakhapatnam.
Yeah.
Is Vishakhapatnam the most southern tip, is it? No, that's Kanyakumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Where
Co-
does
no,
Vishakhapatnam?
no, not southern tip. It's a coast of the Bay of Bengal near the it's a
Okay,
coast city
of
near the Bay of Bengal,
Bay of.
southeastern pass.
Okay, so it's a coastal
Yes,
area,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Vishakhapatnam. What is Vishakhapatnam famous?
Vizag. It is also called Vizag.
It's
Famous
Vishakhapatnam is
for
called Vizag.
yes, ma'am. It is also
I
called the city of destiny.
Oh, why is it called that?
I don't know much about it, but I just know it's it's called.
Okay, and tell me about Vishakhapatnam. Have you ever been to Vishakhapatnam?
Yes, ma'am. I've been.
How is it?
It's a metropolitan city, and wherever you see you know about that. What metropolitan city is like.
Mm-hmm. I know
Very
what is
busy
metropolitan
day.
city like, but I wish
Yeah,
that
that's
you would explain it to me so that you are able to express yourself. Okay?
okay. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. It is when I went to road, it's all traffic, clumsy, and
It's a bit
high
crowded.
sounds. But there, yes, ma'am, it's crowded, and also there is some beautiful places to explore too.
Mm.
I went to beach two times now till now. But it's a great experience to go to beach, and I can still remember the feelings when the tides touched my feet and cool breeze from the sea. I can still
Mhm.
memorize it. I
Okay.
can still
And
feel it.
what is the name of the beach? What is it called?
RK Beach, Ramakrishna Beach, ma'am. Yes,
Ramakrishna Beach.
RK Beach. Yes.
Okay. And how far is your village or staying place currently from Vishakhapatnam, and how different is it from Vishakhapatnam?
I don't know the exact kilometers, exact distance of it, but if you take a bus from my village, actually I have to uh, uh, travel a little more to reach the bus stand. It's in my mandal to 7 kilometers from my village bus station.
Uh,
If you go by bus to Vishakhapatnam,
How long
you
does it?
2.5 hours journey.
Mm.
Yes.
And how different is your staying place from Visakhapatnam? Tell me what difference you find in the environment, the buildings, the nature of the people, everything.
Yes. My village is so small. It's about 150 to 200 houses in my village, and my village is surrounded by mountains only. Three mountains. It's surrounded by mountains. It's all hilly. It's beautiful actually, and it's calm, peaceful. The environment surroundings are peaceful, but
Mm-hmm.
if in the cities, it is all crowded and traffic sounds. But yeah, there are pros and cons in the cities.
Traffic
Yes,
congestion
ma'am.
also. Congestion is something where everything just stops. It's all congested. You know what congestion
No,
means?
no, ma'am, I don't.
Congestion is uh, it's a lot of crowdness, okay, in a very small place.
Okay.
Okay, that's congestion. You can go later on Google and see what a typical meaning of congestion is. Okay.
Can I have the spelling of it, ma'am?
Yes, I will
I'll,
just write it down in the chat box for you. Okay.
okay, ma'am. And can you pronounce your name, ma'am? I am not getting it. Okay, ma'am, I got it. The spelling.
I am Kulsum.
Kulsum Sayed.
Yes,
Okay,
Kulsum Sayed.
pretty name. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So do you,
What
ma'am.
does Pradeep mean? What does Pradeep mean?
I think it is uh, to uh, it is able to shine. I mean, lighting the diyas. I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay, when you light the diyas, the light. Okay,
Yeah,
that
come and shine. Yeah, that means.
I can understand. And suppose if you had the liberty, Pradeep, to explore this world or explore India, where do you wish to
Okay.
go in the future?
I wish to visit all the places in India uh, and also abroad too. I wish to go Goa and I wish to visit the Himalayas
Mm-hmm.
and I am I don't know about the major cities about, but I don't know.
Okay, okay, you wish
I
to.
just know about. I'm not getting the places I know, but I'm not getting it right now.
Okay, so you wish to go to Goa.
Yes, ma'am.
Goa is also a
I
beach.
yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
And what about yours, ma'am? Have you been to or abroad or
Yes,
in
I
India?
yes, I've been to quite a couple of places. I've been to Chennai, as I said. I've been to Jaipur,
Mm,
been to Delhi, Agra, Ajmer. I have been to Gujarat, regions of Gujarat, which is okay. Then I've been to Bangalore. I've been to Nagpur in Maharashtra. And as I stay in Mumbai, I visit the local places out here also.
okay. Have you visited Marina Beach, ma'am? I heard about it. It is in Chennai. Have you been to?
No, Marina Beach, I somehow I didn't go, okay, because I had other commitments at that time. So I didn't go to
Okay.
Marina Beach, but yes, I know it is a very pretty place.
Yeah. And
I didn't get the chance to explore Chennai. I was just in the hotel room and I had a conference to attend. So it
okay.
was just I had attended the conference and I was in the hotel room. I didn't go outside a lot.
Oh, yeah.
That was the thing.
Um,
And tell me about if you go, okay, if you go to travel or if you go for a vacation, where do you go normally? If you need a vacation, if you have a summer vacation, Where do you usually travel to?
I don't usually travel actually because I'm a son of a farmer and we have some works to do in the summer itself.
We have a lot
I
of
haven't been to
we
places
have
like that.
a lot of work
Yeah.
to do in the field. Lot of works. You don't have to
Oh,
use
yeah.
the
To
word
do in
yes. I have a lot of work to do.
plural
Yes,
work.
yes. Singular work. I have a lot of work to do
Okay.
in the fields. Um, when you use the work word, you use the plural word. Okay, plural is not needed in this case. And what
Okay.
do you do, Pradeep? What do you study?
I am pursuing BTech in the stream of civil engineering. Eh,
Hmm.
eh, It's my third year now.
Okay,
I'm studying third year.
and how which clapping go session is this for you?
It is my first session after the demo session.
Okay, it is
It is
first
my
session
first.
after demo, so I do have a liberty to talk about something else
Yes.
also. Okay, travel, you haven't traveled so much. Tell me about your goals in life. What are your short term goals and long term goals?
I I I want to learn Carnatic music, but I didn't. and and and
I
I
wanted,
um,
I wished to,
wanted.
I
I wish
wanted
to.
to learn Karnataka music, but I was unable to do so.
Yes, we have no. Uh, uh, we have no. I mean, there is no person surround in my place who is
There,
teaching.
okay,
Yeah,
there
there is
is
no
no,
teacher
okay, there is no
facility.
music teacher or no facility near your
Uh,
area
to
that
learn.
teaches
Yes,
Karnataka music.
yes,
Say it in your
yes.
own words.
There is no place which is or institution which is teaching Carnatic music. So, but I have the opportunity to learn it in my college. There is a uh, there is
There is a what? There's a person who teaches.
yes, there are some department. There is a
Mm-hmm.
department which
Teach Karnataka music.
yes,
Okay. Complete the
I'm
sentence.
just learning the basics.
Okay. You have just started learning the
Yes,
basics.
ma'am. I have started
But
learning.
you have the liberty, you know, YouTube, right? Do you use YouTube?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sure you will find some kind of a person who teaches
Class.
that kind of thing on YouTube.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, YouTube is a very broad background. A lot of people teach a lot of things. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
usually find something related to your interest out there.
I find about clapping go in the YouTube.
Okay, I
Clapping
found
about the
about
clapping
Clappingo, or I got,
on the YouTube.
see, I'll tell you. I
Then
found about Clappingo, or I got to know about Clappingo on YouTube or through YouTube, not the YouTube. Okay, don't use the word the
okay,
in before YouTube. Okay, say it in your own
okay.
way.
I got to know about clapping go on YouTube.
Okay, okay, that's nice.
And what about your hobbies, ma'am?
My hobbies, I used to like to read a lot. Okay, but currently,
Wow.
I don't read so much unless and until thing really interests me or something like that. Currently, I watch a lot of movies or web series. Okay, that is what I do
Uh,
in my pastime. I wish to
have you
start again. Yes,
do you watch Friends, ma'am? Friends web series?
I have watched Friends. I have watched
Uh,
Friends.
I do read. I too love read. I too love to read books. Can you
Mhm.
give me a suggestion to?
What kind of books do you read, Pradeep?
I like to read novels and personality development books. I mean self help books.
There is
Mm,
this
But
author. what do you call him? Forgot his name. There
Chetan
is
Babu.
willpower doesn't work.
What, ma'am?
Willpower, willpower,
Willpower?
willpower doesn't work.
I
Yes,
don't
you
read.
can search it on Google. Okay, this is
Okay,
a
ma'am.
good book.
Willpower doesn't work.
Doesn't work. Then there is you like inspirational kind of books, right? Then there is
Yes, ma'am.
Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Yes, ma'am. I heard about it.
Okay, that is what you can read. It's inspirational and
What's
novel.
the? Mm,
Yes, yes, say.
I mean, what do you like to read about? I mean, what types of books do you like
I
to read?
see my interest has changed over the past couple of years. I used to read a lot of novels, storybooks, fictional books. Then
Okay.
my interest went into personality development, something that will help me, figure out my life or help me achieve my goals or something like that. So I have sort of evolved my reading habit over the past few years.
Okay. So which character do you like in Friends, man?
Friends,
Have you watched all the 10 seasons?
yes, I've watched the entire thing that is available on Netflix. I think it is 10 season. Yeah, maybe. I've
Yes,
watched
ma'am.
everything. My favorite character, I do like Ross,
Okay.
and I like Chandler also, and
Oh,
I like Jennifer Aniston's character also.
and uh, yes, ma'am.
Who are your favorite characters?
Uh, I- in the beginning, I love I like Jennifer Aniston's character Rachel,
Mm-hmm.
and eventually I tend to love all of them. I can't say one is my favorite.
Yes,
I do.
because each character brings about something different with them, and
Yes, ma'am.
without it,
Absolutely.
it would be boring. So everyone
Yes, ma'am.
has their input.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's a very good web series. I think I should watch it, and then
Okay.
watching it again will just make it boring, I feel. But yes,
Okay.
it is a good web series to watch.
Yes, ma'am. So I would like to have my feedback. I think the time.
Yes, yes, it will cut in 1 minute or something. Pradeep, what you can improve on is uh, tenses. Okay,
Okay.
work on your tenses, and you are good. You are good. You make slight mistakes here and there, and the way you say it, the fluency and the confidence with what you speak has to improve. You understand? You are able
Okay.
to figure out what to say, but how to increase your speed, how to become more confident while speaking is what you have to work on now. Okay, so that will come with
Okay. What to do to?
practice.
Okay. Practice.
The more you practice,
Okay.
the better you will become. Simple. It's a
Okay.
very simple rule.
Like the saying, practice makes man
Yes,
perfect.
yes, you have to practice. And
Okay.
wherever mistakes are being made, when we point it out to you, or when you learn a new word, okay, try to revise it every time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all the
Okay,
best
ma'am.
for your
Thanks for your
future.
feedback.
Yes, yes, all the best for
Thank
your
you, ma'am. Nice to meet you.
future.
It's
Yeah,
pleasure
same
meeting
here.
you.